shnong Hathisil na Lum Garo, West Garo Hills, sdang ban Mih Iew Mynta ki Jain Thain, ki Jain bat ki Jain Phong babun jait kiba itynnat bat haki rukom ki rong. Ya ka karkhana Thain Jain VA Silk Industries hagani ka shnong, sdang na tnat treikam ka sorkar India, Ministry of Textiles House snem 8,000 khan haka nongrim treikam Public-Private-Patnership. Ki kam ki iaid suki na ka jinglynshop ka khlam COVID-19. Ka jingthmu jong kani ka karkhana ka long ban kenteu ya ki kam ki jam ya ki sap ki phong jo ki breu ki ban nang ban Thain Jain hala shnong bat ban ai kam amduna ya ka khatsan spa ngot ki breu na kani ka Thain. Haka arpau tarik nai wing ka Hema Nayak DC West Garo Hills kala play ya ka yaude Jain bala penmi na kani ka karkhana. Mynta kani ka karkhana Thain Jain ka don kinong trei amduna lai spa ngot.
Yeah, all of them based into the and that madam is Madam Pinky Rose Mara. She's
Yes.
yeah,
Where I have met you? Oh, now no. Okay, I thought I had met in Shillong. Here.
Yeah, thank you. So these are usually we are concentrating on the handloom products. So these are all handloom products. Yeah. So we are trying out this airy silk shirt. We are having with the multi-threaded design. These are also locally made. And then we have
The products that we have seen today, they are, if not better, they are as good as those products we have seen in all these big stores of handlooms. And this is no less. This is in Northeast. This is one of the biggest units of apparel industry. So this can be the quality, the design, the product, the colors and everything are as good as national standards. The only thing is that to reach that level of production and marketing, to reach that momentum, once it reached there is no stopping. And since all of, I don't know how many of you are from Hathisil?
Hathisil is also the one.
From Hathisil? Okay. Others are from different villages. Okay. I'm asking because on the way I have visited Hathisil LP and UP school. Why I'm mentioning is because that the children are not having great learning, let's say. They are okay, they know a few things, but they are not very good in education. They are not learning better. LP school timing also I have seen is very, it's from 7 to 10 they told me. But why I am telling this, because maybe your own children or maybe your sisters or brothers or your own children, they must be going to those schools. Make sure they go to school regularly, and the timing is not 7 to 10. They have to sit there at least till 2 o'clock. Okay, 9 to 2 at least. So this is our school timing. We have not changed it. So some of the teachers mentioned to me that after COVID, the school timing is 7 to 10, which is wrong. Government had not given any notification, or we have not given any notification. Only during summer we have given this, during the flood season and during very hot time, we had changed the timing from 7 to 10. Otherwise it is 9 to 2. So
Hi, I'm Nixon Balaya. I am the manager, production and business at VS Silk Industry at the Hathisil Garment Manufacturing Unit. The unit is actually owned by the state government. However, on a MOA, Memorandum of Agreement between VS Silk Industry and the state, we've been appointed to run this industry since last year. And we have overcome the challenges so far. On one thing, getting the women and youth in the rural areas around Ampati to train them on a new skill that's called tailoring, sewing craft, especially on large-scale production. Now today, it is a privilege for us to display so far whatever we have achieved as products, both in employment and in diversified productions. Now mostly we have used the handloom fabric, which is made by our own trained weavers in and around Ampati, both in Southwest Garo Hills and West Garo Hills. We have trained them on 2 levels of handloom weaving. One is the plain handloom weaving that we get to see everywhere, and the other one is multi-petal. That means it has 4 petals, which can give you an accurate design and preferred type of weaving. There are different types of weaving, not just the plain weaving. So we have trained all of them. So there are at least 300 people who are on a commission basis working with us. Another thing, we have also trained 100 people on handloom, loin loom weaving. Now this is a very interesting, unique craft the world doesn't know at all. The weaving itself makes a perfect glow and a wonderful attraction for any buyer anywhere in the world. And this has been hidden in Garo Hills for a pretty long time. Not only Garo Hills, entire Northeast, but the method of weaving in Garo Hills is unique. Now in the loin loom, by hand they can make logos, they can make letterings. So we have trained them up to that level, and we have done it logo based stoles for MSSDS, MSRLS, local churches, a couple of other organizations. So that's the success so far we have. So altogether 300 handloom weavers, 100 loin loom weavers, and 100 tailors. Now all this count comes under Meghalaya State Skills Development Society. They funded and supported this entire program. So 500 people are with us right now, and MSRLS has helped us train another 100 people, and more are getting trained, another 70. So altogether we have a count close to 600 people, but only on tailoring we have close to 178 so far. And we have designers, we have supervisors, we have trainers. So we all come together to bring products that are unique. It is not the regular ones, but these are designs that internationally acclaimed or well accepted. That's what. Probably you can show them one of this. This is one of the product recently what we got. This standard is equivalent to any of the branded product. This is made, stitched right here, designed right here by our own people who doesn't have any knowledge on international quality stitching, but still we're trying to improve quality stitching and wonderful products people may like to buy. Anything else?
Good afternoon. My name is Vivian A. Sangma. I'm the proprietor of VS Silk Industry, apparels and heritage designs. Recently we have started this apparel garment making unit. This garment unit was handed over to us by the Department of Textiles. So now we have been starting this project, I think it's since 3 or 4 months now. So we gave training to, before we started this garment manufacturing unit, first we gave a training to more than 100 people for sewing craft. Then we also gave training for loom 100 people, and we also gave training to 300 people for weaving, multi-threader weaving training. So once we finished this training, why we gave the training to these people was because, like, especially handloom weaving and loom weaving, we are buying the products from the weavers, and we are making that fabric in our manufacturing garment unit. So once we finished the product, then we started making small products, like making bags, then mobile bags, and small tote bags, like that. Then after that, we went to